We got a new vehicle here on Spruce Tree Garage. I figured you guys would find this interesting to go take a look at it. See, well, I don't know what you guys are looking at, but this is a beautiful car right here. This is a 1991 Geo Metro. And that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. So, we're gonna take a look at this beautiful vehicle. This is the powerhouse of an engine we have here. This little engine is a whopping 1,000 cc's, 1 liter, 50 horsepower of neck-breaking American power. Now, this little engine gets over 50 miles to the gallon and goes 60 miles an hour most of the time. Now, this little car is the embodiment of American muscle. I mean, sure, we have these 70s Pontiacs, and those aren't no muscle car. But this Geo, I mean, it's a convertible with a 5-speed, so it's basically an American Miata. So that just blew your mind. So now you want a Geo Metro. This beautiful blue color. I don't even have words for this blue. This blue is, well, it's blue. Now, here's where it really gets interesting. You've got your convertible sports car, right? But then all you do is pick this thing up here. Now it is the regular car that you can drive every day to work, to across the country, to family meetings, to AA meetings, to group therapy, to all of the things. And it's an LS. Everybody says how they love their LS engines. This is an LS with injection, so it's an LSI. So, that little 1.3 is actually an LS. And that's pretty cool. And those people say they can make 500 horsepower out of LSs. So this obviously makes 500 horsepower, right? Exactly. Makes 500 horsepower. 0 to 60 and eventually, it will. Now, there is a few points I need to make about this car. All of this beauty I got for $700. And I got myself a slightly modified Geo Metro. Now, if you've never driven a Geo Metro, it is, to describe it, it is one of the cars of all time. Now, I know that's a bold statement, but let's go on a test drive and I will prove that it is one of the cars of all time. Now we're in this beautiful piece of machinery, this Geo Metro, which, I mean, this is an amazing experience. Now it's got a passenger seat. Yes, I know, fancy. With a tool. Oh, okay, yeah, that can go down there. And it's got this beautiful seat that you can seat an extra person in, so you can haul people. It's got this compartment for gloves, and you can put your gloves in there. Some people even put their registration in there. I know, wild. Now this thing here, this is the star of the show. This is the 5-speed manual transmission. Now, when you have such a powerful engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, you reach peak muscle car abilities. See, now you put it in reverse, and you can just feel the power. Yeah. No, let's go for a ride. Oh, wow. So very much power. Okay. I don't know if this thing should be legal with the amount of power it makes. So now we go to first gear. Go ahead and we take off. And we're already in an impressive vehicle. We are doing at least 10 miles an hour, and we are in second gear. I know that is very impressive and hard to believe, but we are. But this, true story actually, we got this car going so fast that the speedometer couldn't keep up anymore and broke. So now we can't have a speedometer anymore. We took off and it just vanished. No more speedometer. Now, getting on the main road on this car can be a handful. It is very, very powerful. And I would not want this car to be left in the wrong hands. This very powerful American Geo Metro, it's one of the cars of all time, like I stated earlier. And this is just proof that it is one of the cars of all time. I mean, I don't know what other proof you need. Now, okay, that's enough of that. Alright, in all seriousness, I got this little car. I needed something that gets better gas mileage. And I didn't want a regular little car like everybody else has. So I found myself this little Geo for $700. If anybody knows of parts for these cars, I need a driver's side door window. It's a 1991 Geo Metro LSI. Yeah, LSI. It has to be a convertible for the window to work. So if you know of one, I would appreciate getting a hold of me. Best way to get a hold of me as of now is probably just a YouTube comment. I'm probably going to do some more videos on this car, but for now this was just an introduction to the raw power of the Geo Metro and basically my new commuter car. I don't know if I'll do much on it, but I gotta fix some things. I might post that. I gotta do a speedometer cable and a few other small things. So let me know what you'd like to see with it. And if you got any parts or any tips or tricks for these cars, let me know. because I have never owned a GL Metro before. Thanks for watching Spruce Tree Garage.